Hello everyone, we have a question here and it is JAMB, a JAMB question, 1990 question 1. The question says simplify 4 whole number 3 over 4 minus 6 whole number 1 over 4 all over 4 whole number 1 over 5 of 1 whole number 1 over 4. And here are the options. Here, solution. We have 4 whole number 3 over 4 minus 6 whole number 1 over 4. Now, divided, this is the division line, same thing as divided. We have 4 whole number 1 over 5 of 1 whole number 1 over 4. Now, what we have done here is that this is the numerator. For convenience, to be easy to solve, I decided to split it because in fraction we have a over b. It's also the same thing as a divided by b. That's what we have employed here. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So what we do from here is we change this to improper fraction. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 3, we have 19 over 4 minus 4 times 6, 24 plus 1, we have 25 over 4 divided. And we have 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 over 5 of means times, and 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, we have 5 over 4. Now, so here we deal with this. They have the same denominator, so it's the same thing as saying 19 minus 25 will give us minus 6 all over 4 divided. Here 5 will cancel out, 5 will cancel out here 1, 5 goes here 1. So here we are left with 21 over 1 times 1 over 4. One over 4. So we have this to be equals to minus 6 over 4 divided by, this is 21 all over 4. 21 times 21, 1 times 4, we have 4. Here we have minus 6 over 4. We change the division to times and this turn upside down. We have 4 over 21. Here we are having minus 6 over 1. 4 cancel out here 1. 4 here 1. So we have minus 6 over 1 times 1 over 21, which is minus 6 over 21. Here, minus 6 over 21 has a common factor, which is 3. So we have here to be minus 2 over 7. So the answer here is minus 2 over 7, which is option B. Surely,